Now, let's work on question 1 here. Indicate in which quadrant the point lies. For here we have a pair of numbers. 2 stands for the number on the x-axis, which is horizontal numerical axis. And 10 stands for the value on the vertical numerical axis, which is normally called y-axis. X is 2, and you look at the scale here, is from 0 to 10, so should be 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So 2 should be here. And then 10 is the value for y, and then you have a 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So 1 point is here, 1 point is here, then this one will be our point. In this case, I zoomed in a little bit. So then you should have a, here is 2, 1, 2, and here is 10. So if you do by accessing this free website, decimal.com, and you input 2, 10, you see the points shows right here, 1, 2, and 5, 10, and here will be the point. Okay, this can confirm that this is in quadrant 1. Quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. We do counterclockwise. 1, x, y, divide the plane into 4 parts. So the first area is the right top part, quadrant 1, and the second quadrant is top left. Third quadrant is bottom left. The fourth quadrant is right bottom part, right here. So in this case, we want to click 1 in the first quadrant. Now, question 2, indicate which quadrant the point is. Here we have a -3, -5. So then you can see here is 1, 2, 3, negative direction. And for y here, it goes to negative direction going down. So here will be -3 and then -5. So this will be our point. And then you may type here to confirm -3, -5. That will be the point right here. Point right here. That's in quadrant 3. So it should be here, this choice. Now, question 3, indicate in which quadrant the point is. 1 is 13 for x. The first number always stands for the number on the vertical, on the horizontal. Always 13 is always for the x-axis. So you have a 13 here, and the -5 is right here. So it should be on the 4th quadrant. For the 4th quadrant, x is positive, y is negative. So 13 and -5, this would be our point, and that's in the 4th quadrant. Confirm right here. 13, -5. So that's the one we pointed to. Again, 10 here, 11, 12, 13, down 5. That's the point. Okay. Question 4. Question 4, x is negative. So this is origin to the negative. So that will be on the left-hand side. And then y is 3/8, so that's on the top part. Both numbers less than 1, so I should divide from 0 to 1, -1, then we divide this into 5 equal parts, and then we choose 2, so that will be -2/5. Roughly x value is right here. And then value y is positive, so it's a little bit above, somewhere above here. That will be in the second quadrant. We may confirm that. So you do -2 divided by 5. And then here 3 divided by 8. See, the point is right here. It shows up. So this website is a very nice website. Okay, let's see question 5. Question 5 is give the ordered pairs that corresponding to the points labeled in the figure. See, apparently here is -3. So then y is 2. You always look at x coordinate first. Okay, so you have a -3, 2. And -3, 2 is this one. There is a -3, 2 here. So possibly either this one or this one, second or fourth. Now here you have a 2 for x, and the y is -6. So 2 -6, this will be the one. This is -6, 2 is not correct. Because here x is -6, then you want to go to this one. And then 2. That's not right. Remember, the first one always stands for the number on the horizontal x-axis. So 2, here you want to locate this one. And then y is -6. So the second one will be our choice. Okay? I'll stop here and see you next time.